Our flux comes as a white powder. It is called Prips Flux. It's the same formula that everybody sees there, 2, 2, and 3. It's the same formula as you read about online. The reason that we mix it up is because you pretty much have to buy 5-pound containers of those other things in order to get your own mix, which will probably be enough to last your whole family and your family's family if you go ahead and mix your own. So we've mixed it into 8-ounce components here. This will be good for 32 ounces of flux. Typically, you would take this and you would mix it with 4 parts of water and then 1 part of flux by pouring it in to your jar or your heating vessel and boiling the water before you heat it in. You want to use distilled water. If you don't use distilled water, you will end up with precipitate in your bottom of your spray bottles, which in turn, if you have that, those things will float up and they will plug your nozzle. If you have a plugged nozzle, you're not going to get an effective spray pattern. You want a nice, fine mist spray pattern. We also have a MSDS sheet in there and instructions on how to mix it.